Okay, we're going to start the bike. It's running great, starting easy, idles beautifully, revs nicely. It's about as ready as it can be for a test ride, but I thought I'd show you the starting technique because this is a very, it's a thoroughbred. It's going to be a little touchy. It likes a lot of gas, about half throttle, and a good healthy kick. When you kick it, you have to lock your leg. You're not kicking it with your leg, you're kicking it with your whole body. One of the problems is the bike doesn't have a side stand, the bike doesn't have a center stand, and I'm not strong enough to hold it up while I kickstart it. So we're going to kickstart it here. I'm going to start it now on the lift in the vise. All right, I'm going to hand the camera off. And let's see how this works. All right, gas on. The bike has been run, so we don't have to worry about tickle too much, just a little bit. It's got a kill button, no ignition switch, runs on a magneto. Let's see now, get it around the top dead center. And about half throttle. Very healthy bike. So, half throttle, healthy kick, straight legged, using full body weight. Don't bend your knee. If you bend your knee, the bike will kick back on you and break your ankle. All right, that's about it. We'll stop.